All right, so I've been wanting to do like sort of a daily vlog going forward, and I thought it would be cool to be doing things about real estate since that's primarily what I shoot. So today we're gonna shoot a house. I'm gonna try to record the best I can because it's just me today. But I'll give you the rundown of what we're doing. So we've got the Panasonic S5, it's on the gimbal, and we've got the Fuji X-T4 in the bag here. So we're gonna be doing video and photo. Initially, the client only wanted to do photos, but I told her, I said, given the fact that this is a $435,000 house, it hits a little bit different than something that's like 270 and under that 350 mark. So I think it needs a video. So we're gonna go ahead, do that about 11. Hopefully the rains hold out and give us enough time to get photos, video shot, and we'll see how this goes. All right, so I was supposed to start this vlog a little while ago when I actually started doing photos, but spoiler, the photos are already done, so the only thing I got left to do is video. And the only reason why I didn't vlog that is because the agent was still here and they were talking to me, so all right, we will start off with doing video. I guess this would have been a good house to use the GoPro Hero 10 on, just to sort of showcase how well it does in low light, or it doesn't do, but I'll have to use the GH5 too, to sort of show you the behind the scenes. All right, let's get started. All right, so I just went ahead and started with the establishing shot once I got into the door. So I did 2 shots. So usually because I use that transition where I pan left to right, I need a shot that's sort of panning the same direction. And then I did one panning the opposite way where I showcased the stairs to really show that, hey, this is a 2-story house. And then there's also sort of an office area here. So the next shot we're gonna do is coming out of the office into this kitchen area. I'll show you sort of the kitchen area. So we'll do a panning shot where we're coming into the kitchen. And this house isn't really all that bright. Unfortunately, the lighting's not very good. There's only 1, 2, there's like 4 or 5 of these canned lights in here, but they sort of suck. And because the sun is in front, not in the back, we're not getting the maximum amount of lighting. So using the Lumix S5, I have the ISO right about 1600 right now, and this is an f4 lens. There's also a lot of echo in this house, I apologize. But let's go ahead and get that shot where we're gonna be coming into the kitchen. This is gonna be a primary shot. And this is gonna sound really stupid, but as I'm walking around with the gimbal, I'm making whoosh sounds as I'm actually walking the floor. And the reason why I do that is so I know where I want a transition to be and sort of the overall of how that sound is actually going to interpolate when I do the final video. I know it's stupid, and people have always asked me while I was filming, why do you make whoosh sounds? Well, I make those whoosh sounds so I know where to add that transition. All right. I also went ahead and did like an alternate shot into the bedroom just to see what I like. And it's okay to shoot more than you actually are going to use. I'd rather have more than less. This is a tough shot because of where the bathroom mirror is placed. So we'll try to see what it is. All right, so the whole top floor is done. That was a little bit more challenging because the lighting conditions were so different there. So when you get a situation like that, honestly, just doing pans are gonna work. Unfortunately, there's no ceiling fans, so we can't really dictate motion. But now what we need to do is head outside to go ahead and shoot all the exterior shots, which we're getting a nice sunny day today, so let's go ahead and get it done. Alrighty, so now I gotta do aerials. I always try to save the aerials and the drone work for last. I did end up going back to my smart controller. Just too many issues with the iPhone 12, so hopefully the 13 doesn't have that. These aerials shouldn't take too long. I gotta do photos, video, all that good stuff, and then we'll go back and edit. All right, so I'm back at the studio. I'm really bad about documenting these things, but I got the video edited, and I think it came out pretty good. I did notice in this house particularly, there was some really bad color shift happening, and it tended to lean more towards the magenta. I also made one big mistake. I forgot to change my white balance before I went outside. I fixed it. I don't think anybody will notice. The good thing is, vast majority of the mistakes you make when you shoot real estate videos specifically, nobody's gonna pick up unless if you're in this industry. Like when I watch a video, I'll typically pick it apart, but that's only because I know I can see the mistakes, but an agent's probably never gonna see that mistake, nor will a buyer or seller, so don't freak out too much. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. This was something sort of new, just doing like sort of this new vlogging thing. I really wanna document my day the best I can. To see how far I progress as a photographer and videographer. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Stay original.